This is a 10-minute apple shape workout. So what we're going to do, we're going to really focus on some lovely cardio ab moves. So we're really going to strengthen through your core, work your abs, work your waist. All the moves are standing. We're going to start with a very quick little warm-up. So if you're ready, let's get started. So we're just going to do 20 seconds, just follow along. We're just going to start with a march and then just give me these big shoulder circles. Just open up through the arms. And this apple shape workout today is all about doing cardio abs. So we're going to be toning, but also strengthening and defining and working through those abs, all standing. Here's a preview of the first move. Just watch. We're going to go 4 knee drives and then we go 4 of these power punches. 4 knee drives and 4 power punches. So round 1, 5 exercises. So let's get ready and we're going to start with those power punches. So get ready, give me 4 and now give me 4 knee drives. So on the left, the arrow there on that timer bar represents approximately 50 seconds. And we've got 5 moves and we'll take a quick water break and repeat it again. So let's just keep going. So give me those cardio punches, knee drives. So this is really working through your abs with strengthening the core, and doing those cardio punches means we're really then also working through the waist. That's good. Try and focus, keeping that upper body nice and straight, and really reach across when you're doing those cardio punches as well. So we're really working into your waist with this standing ab exercise. And well done. All right, you just march it out. I'm going to show you the next move. The next one, we're going to do the runner's abs. So you're in a split stance and then you just drive that knee up. So take 1 foot behind. Now just imagine you're sprinting. Then take that same foot back. I'll let you know halfway through and we'll change. So drive that up. So we're using your core here. It's really helping control. So we're really working on your stability through those ab muscles. Plus it's still a cardio move because we're working multiple joints, working through the legs and the arms. All right, just change leg for me now. And now just take that up. So just drive that knee up. And this will really be getting your heart rate up. And just feel that working. Feel your abs getting stronger and you are getting fitter and healthier. And well done. All right, just march out. So for the next move, this one here, you step your foot behind and across and we're swinging the arms up and over. So it's quite a coordinated move. So even if you just start with the legs, add in the arms when you're ready. But this is a move that I created, which is incredible. You are working your entire body here, but this is amazing at shaping and sculpting through your waist. So this is perfect for an apple shape because we're really going to work through defining your waist. Draw the arms up and over, but the biggest benefit of all, it's great for your cardiovascular health. And the benefit with these is if we're in apple shape, we do tend to carry a bit more weight around our tummy, that belly fat, that visceral belly fat. So if you do have that, this really helps reduce it because we're doing the cardio element as well. And well done. All right, so you just march out. Let's have a next look at the next move. So this one here, we're just going to imagine we're playing some racket sport and we're going to just then reach the arms across and step the foot behind. So this one, again, I'm going to let you know halfway through and just feel that working. So we're keeping the heart rate up because we're working multiple muscle groups, but we're doing it in a way that's going to really shape and sculpt through the waist. That's good. So just reach those arms across. And now let's change, take that to the opposite side, reach it across. Powerful move, that's good. Keeping that going. And this one here is said, we're really working those internal and external obliques. So we're really working through those waist muscles. And well done. All right, just march out. So next move, we're going to alternate doing these ab twists and then we do these side reaches. So in that wide stance, reach down for 4, 3, let's go 2 and 1. Now arms up, and now reach the elbow round to either side, 2 and 1. Bring it back to a side, 4, let's go 3, 2 and 1, and then again just reach those arms round. Now just make sure while you're doing this for me, just make sure you keep your hips nice and still, knees slightly bent, tummy is tight. Reach those arms round. So this is the 5th move, and what we're going to do, you've then got an optional water break after this, and then we just simply repeat all those moves once more. And let's just go 4, take that 3, 2 and 1, and then just march out. So take a quick water break, press pause if you want longer. So round 2, we're going to repeat exactly the same. We're going to come back and we're going to get ready to do those 4 knee drives and 4 power punches. So let's get ready. Power punch and now knee drive. And really think what we're doing here, we're getting fitter, we're getting stronger, we're increasing your calorie burn, but we're really working through those abs at the same time. These are all really powerful standing ab moves, they're cardio abs. That's good. Drive that knee up, keep that upper body nice and straight. That's good. And just really punch through those arms, knee drive. And when we're doing those arm punches, really reach them across. So we're really exaggerating, working through those waist muscles. And nearly finished on this one. And let's go 4, take that 3, 2 and 1. Well done. All right, so just march out. We're going to come back to that running stance one. So in a split stance, foot behind, and now just imagine we're now just sprinting. So you will still feel this working in your legs and your arms, so you're still going to be toning these areas as well. But also, as said, we're really working your core, and your core here is really working by stabilizing you, holding you in place while we do this transition move. That's good, and really control through with those arms. Let's just change legs now. So drive that knee up. And while you're here, also take a moment just to be so grateful that you're able to use your body. We should never ever take our health for granted. And it's all about, for me, the bigger picture is less about how we look, more about how we feel. This is about investing in your future health. And well done. All right, so next move. So we've got that really super complicated but amazing move. We're going to get ready, step that foot across and behind, and then you're taking your arms up and over. That's it. And just think while you're doing this right now, just say out loud how many different joints you think you are working. So really be aware of what your body is doing. And I'm going to tell you, you're doing your shoulder joint, you're doing your hip joint, your knee joint, even through the ankle joint. So not only are we working your abs, not only are we working your heart health, your metabolic health, but we're also looking after your joint health. And this is where we never need to lift weights. By using body weight is the safest way to maintain muscle, look after bone health, and equally joint health. We're nearly finished on that move, and well done. All right, so next one, imagine now we're just having that racket sport. So it's that powerful drive, and really think when you're doing this, use those abs, really use those abs as the power. That's where the power and the strength is coming from as you take those arms across. And just be aware of keeping those tummy muscles engaged, so drawing them in slightly. So it's as if we're using a highlighter and really focusing on those areas that we want to be working. And if you are an apple shape and want a full 14-day plan that's also nutrition, I do have a program for that. I'll leave you more details when we do the stretch at the end of the video. All right, that's good. So tap that foot behind, reach across with those arms. And nearly done, and then we just got one more move to do. And well done. All right, just march out. So your final move, we'll come back to doing those static where we're just doing the reach down and then across, and we're doing 4 sets of each. So reach your arm down to the side, 2, and go 1. Now arms up. Imagine you're trying to take that elbow behind. Now the key thing here with this, just keep those hips really still for me. Have your knees slightly bent. Arms up, reach behind. And take that arm down 4, let's go 3, take that 2 and 1, doing really well. And again, hips stay still, keep that belly button tight to the spine, doing really well. We've got now less than 20 seconds to go. And the great thing is with this move, you can do this in your pajamas. It's just body weight, it's safe. You can do it as often as you want. And if you did like this, drop me the little apple emoji in the comments down below and let me know how you are getting on with your training as well. All right, well done. Now what I want to do is just do a very quick little stretch, and well done, that is your workout complete. So let's stretch your muscles. Now the first one we're going to do is this calf stretch. Take that foot behind, and just where you can see me outlining, this is where we want to be feeling the stretch. And the great thing is with stretching, just really helps realign your body. So it's amazing for your posture, helps prevent injuries. And let's just take that now to the other leg. So if you do want to find out more details about the 14-day plan, it's a nutrition plan, it's got recipes, then there is a barcode. You should be able to take a photo of that and it takes you straight to my website with details. I'll leave it also in the description down below. Let's do the hamstring stretch. Hands are on that bent leg, and we're just feeling that stretch through the back of the upper thigh. And now let's just change, and we're going to take that to the other leg. And again, just hands are always on the bent leg. Just feel that stretch through the back of your upper thigh. So now coming up to standing, just focus on doing that quadricep stretch. Make sure your supporting knees slightly bent for me. And just change, take that to the other leg. Use the wall for balance if you need to. That's good. And now we're just going to get ready to take those arms in front. Just have that lovely stretch through the top of your upper back. So imagine you're just separating through your shoulder blades. Now bring those arms in front. Get a lovely stretch through the front of your chest. And now we'll take one arm up. Feel that through the back of the upper arm. That nice tricep stretch. And let's just now take that to the other arm. Again, just feel that lovely stretch. So well done, there is your high five. And remember, what you and I have just done is invest in your future health. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.